Today we're going to be changing our reverse tail light, which is located right here on our 2012 Jeep Grand Cherokee. Our bulb is busted out and we're going to go inside and replace this bulb. First thing we want to do is pop the lift gate open and get it up as far as possible. Then we're going to come over to this side where we're going to pry this out and we're going to gain access to the light bulb. So we're just using a flathead screwdriver. We're gonna pull this out. Just a bunch of clips. Unwilling clips, I might add. There we go. Okay. More. Okay. Alright, so now we have access to our bulbs. So now we have access to our two bulbs right here. This is the one that's busted out. And we will replace that in 1 second. So these are our replacement bulbs. They're 921 long life. We just got these from AutoZone. You can get them at any auto parts store. Advanced Auto O'Reilly. All right, now we have our new bulb. We're just gonna slide it in here and that should take care of that. We're gonna test it before we put everything back. We'll start up the Jeep and put her in reverse. All right, she's working. Well, I'll just put this back in here. Just line up the holes. There you go. Twist it a little bit, and we'll just put our panel back up. That's pretty much it. And that's how you change the reverse light and also your additional tail light on the lift panel of your 2012 Jeep Grand Cherokee. This will work for a Laredo or the Limited, any of the Jeep models that are out there. Hope this helps. If you like our video, please click like and subscribe to our channel so we can bring you more videos. Thanks.